There you go. There you go. Yeah, bye. There you go. There's my Oliver. There's my Oliver boy. No, now Eli can't get in my lap because you're in my lap. You take up my whole lap. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. All right. We gotta move so I can turn the camera off. What have I done? What have I done? Hey guys, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my Sipsby box for September. I have previously been doing unboxings of these on my Instagram, so if you want to check out any of those older videos, or I guess stories. Elias! He's digging at my carpet. You can go to my Instagram, which is the same as my YouTube handle, Fairy Tales and Fitness, and check it out. But I did one of these, I want to say it was for last month, for August. If not, it was for the month before. And it seemed to go pretty well. You guys were pretty interested in it, which makes me really happy because I'm definitely a tea girl. So I figured I would show you what I got, like I said, for September. Now I am definitely in my yoga wear. I just finished Becca Disney Kitty's Saturday morning yoga, and I have the door closed when I'm doing yoga. So I just opened the door so I could get a little bit more light in, and now all of the dogs are on top of me. One is right here by my feet. Elias and Oliver's up on the bed. So if you see any doodle noses popping in or hear anything, it's my puppies. What do you do? All right, let's go ahead and get into this. So opening the box up, I did cut the tape so I wasn't struggling with it on camera. You do have your kind of like cheat sheet here right on top for everything you're going to see inside. So I'll just go ahead and start pulling stuff, and then I'll read from the cheat sheet so you guys are getting a very accurate description of what everything is. The first one that I'm seeing is this one here, which is the Miracle Tree Morning Organic Superfood Tea in the flavor chocolate, which is a very dessert-like tea. So that's really nice. What also is really fun about the subscription is you do get more than one sample. So definitely if you love a tea, you have yourself a few cups to get started before going online and purchasing a full-size product for yourself. Or if you don't love the tea, it is just a sample, so you can gift it to a friend. I often take teas to my work. I am a teacher, and in our little teacher area, our kitchen, we've got a Keurig to make some hot water. So it's fun to be able to bring in different types of tea for my fellow teachers as well. So let's go ahead and read and see what this tea is all about. So the Organic Chocolate Morning Tea, Sipsby Miracle Tree. It says it is caffeine-free. Moringa, I'm sure I'm mispronouncing that, is one of the world's most nutrient-dense superfoods. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It can be used daily to restore dietary imbalances. And you can get 33% off with code SIPSBYMiracleTree, and their Instagram is Miracle Tree Tea. Very cool. All right, let's keep going here. Oh my gosh, now I have both dogs right here by my feet. They are trying to get in the Sipsby box. Hello. All right, next one that I'm pulling out is this one here, Alma Tea. I have received a lot of different Alma Teas from this Sipsby Sipsby subscription, and I am not mad at it. I really like all of the tea that I've tried from them. So let's go ahead and check the description here. So it says, Blackcurrant Burst Sipsby Alma Tea. It is high caffeine. Alma Tea is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. Enjoy hot or iced with a slice of lemon. 15% off with code SIPSBY, and their Instagram is AlmaTea_USA. So blackcurrant, that is very interesting. Definitely a very autumnal tea. I traditionally make my tea I prepare it hot so the tea can steep, but then I will put it in a tumbler full of ice. So to know that I can enjoy that hot or iced is very exciting. Third one I'm pulling out of the box here is Tikino prebiotic herbal tea in macadamia nut. It is organic, prebiotic, acid-free, and caffeine-free. So that's what this tea looks like. And then according to my cheat sheet, it says macadamia nut, Sipsby, Tikino. It is organic, as I said, caffeine-free. The prebiotics in this rich, nutty, caffeine-free blend nourish your probiotics, the beneficial microflora that improve gut health, maintain regularity, and support your immune system. 15% off with the code Sipsby, and their Instagram is at Tikino, however you pronounce it. But macadamia nut, this really makes me want a white chocolate and macadamia nut cookie. So I'm kind of feeling this might be a little more desserty as well. But because there is no white chocolate with it, it might be a little, I mean, definitely is going to be very nutty. So maybe more like savory, I'm not sure. And then the very last one are these ones. Interesting. These are the Oat Tea's biodegradable whole leaf tea bag in organic green tea with peppermint. Nice. I love green tea. Green tea and black tea are probably my favorites. I do enjoy white tea as well, but that would be my third pick. So getting some green tea is really fun. So this one says organic green tea with peppermint. Sips by Oat Teas, low caffeine. This tea is both invigorating and nutritional with its fresh scent and strong flavor. Peppermint is thought to aid digestion, making this tea the perfect beverage to drink after a meal. 15% off with code Sipsby, and their Instagram is at OTs_. All right, so 4 different teas and 4 samples of each tea make for a wonderful September box. What we did not get in this month's box, which I'm certainly not upset with because I have a lot. Traditionally, they include little muslin cloths in each subscription box. So if you have any loose leaf tea, you can use their muslin cloths to put the loose leaf tea in to steep it. Probably because I did not receive any loose leaf tea, they did not send the muslin cloths is what I'm assuming. But like I said, that's totally fine. I have probably 50 of them at this point, so I definitely don't need any more. This is really fun though. I'm so excited to put these down in my tea station and work through them through the end of September and try out all of them. If you guys have not seen me decorate my tea station for Halloween, I will leave my Halloween decor video in the description if you want to check it out. This box is only $15 a month, and I've been getting it since January and have loved it every time I've received it. Even if there have been some teas that I still haven't gotten around to trying just because I don't know how to prepare them, or I've tried some teas and didn't love them. This is still such a fantastic way to try out different brands, try out different blends that you maybe would not have picked out yourself, and it definitely gets me out of my unsweet black iced tea order rut from Starbucks by making some fun different blends at home. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know to continue unboxing these here on my YouTube rather than on my Instagram. But like I said, if you want to check out previous boxes, you can check out my stories on my Instagram page. I have them saved in highlights. And that is it for today from me and my Disney Doodles. Little plug for them too. They do have their own Instagram. It is the Disney Doodles. So if you want to check out pictures of them and see the shenanigans they are always inevitably up to, you can. Ollie just turned 1 and Eli just turned 2, and this at the beginning of this month. So we got some really cute birthday pictures of them. But anyway, I'll stop talking about my dogs. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe so you can stick around for other videos that I post. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!